So I was discussing about solace. I had a couple of friends in my class. They saw each other for quite some time. They were my classmates, and they eventually got married. They first pursued their education, then they also became financially stable, professionally and financially stable, and then they went on to marry each other. Once they married each other, they were not very happy with each other, and their relationship was trying. For around 4 to 5 years, they did not have an issue. They were not having a kid. Later on, after say 5 years or so, they were blessed with a baby girl. And then they put a status on Facebook. And the status was, finally, we found solace in her. Now, there are a couple of things to see and analyze over here. First thing, I do not find, or I haven't found solace in me. Therefore, I have to find solace in someone else. I found my solace in someone else. Then eventually it dried. Then I started looking for something else. I found another person to find solace in. These are certain things which you should understand. Do we require somebody to find solace in, or the solace is in us? किसी से पूछिए आप कि what is your purpose of life, or what is it which you are trying to do right now? Like suppose if you are in academics, completing my graduation, completing my post-graduation, my PhD, whatever he or she is doing. Then professional goals, like I want to get a job, or I want to open my own company, consultancy. Fine. Then get married, settled. Okay. Then done. And then you are lost somewhere. The purpose of life is not academics. The purpose of life is not profession. It may not be the person to whom you want to get married to, or to be in a relationship with. The purpose of life is more than that. And that is something which you should think from today. That what? Once you have attained your academic goals, what? Once you have attained your professional goals, you will like to do, or you will like to become. And why not working for it from today only? This is the idea, this is the thing which you should always harbor. This is the thing which you should always think. Because look, right now you are at, or you are in your 20s, or close in your early 20s, earliest 20s. What is the most important thing in your life? You think about these love and relationships and all these things. I am in my 40s. What is the biggest thing for me? Position, money, big car, big house, bank balance. What is it which will make me happy when I will be 60, 65 and I will get retired? I don't know. मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैंने अपने लाइफ में कुछ किया ही नहीं, या मुझे अब कुछ करना चाहिए. तो जो मैंने किया नहीं या जो मुझे करना चाहिए is something which I can work from today. It's not an open question of mathematics so difficult or like a rocket science that I cannot think and I cannot work on that. I can think and work on that from today, and that is what is important. Similarly, the solace, the happiness, the peace, the harmony does not lies outside. Okay? It is always in me. I have to find it. वो ओके गूगल का ऐड था ना, विकी कौशल वाला, जिसमें इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऐड, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, जिसमें ये चीज़ बताने की कोशिश की गई है कि यू नीड टू You need to find yourself. You need to do what you like, or else you will regret it for the rest of your life. क्या कहते हैं उसको? चल बावरे खुद को ढूंढे. Solace, freedom, happiness, harmony lies in you, and this is something which we should understand.